Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can feed animal in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Feeding an animal can increase your bond level with the animal. And I'm going to go to the animal menu, select your watch and then select animals. And then you need to choose one of the animal that you want to feed. And for example, I'm going to feed the alpaca. So we can click on track, and then we need to find the alpaca's trough, and we need to fill the trough. Okay, I'm going to follow the guidance, and then I'm going to pause my video guys. I'll be right back if I've already arrived there. Okay, finally I found the trough, and then we need to fill the trough to feed the animal. I'm going to feed it with the wet, and okay, done, and click on feed, and it will increase your bond level. And when you have filled the trough, the animal will come to the trough and eat the food you have given to it. And the alpaca is here, or you can immediately go to the animal and select this menu and click on this feed icon. Okay, make sure that the trough is full so you will be able to feed the animal. Okay guys, then that's how you can feed an animal in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.